Feeling lost at sea? Strategic planning is your compass and map. It's a guided process that helps organizations define their vision, assess their situation, and set goals for the future. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In today's session, we'll take you through the strategic planning process. This tutorial will equip you with the steps to navigate your organization towards success. That's it. If these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit the like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info for you. If you want to upskill yourself to master project managing principles and land your dream job or grow your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's project management training and certification program. Simplilearn offers an industry-recognized project management professional training and certification program for aspiring project management professionals. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills, and also offers some key features like 35 contact hours with live virtual sessions, exclusive modules focused on applications of GenAI in project management, 12 full-length simulation test papers, 500 plus premium exam questions exclusive from PMI, PMP exam application assistance by certified experts, and many more. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to gain an engaging learning experience featuring demo sessions and real-world examples. You will gain dedicated live sessions from faculty of industry experts in top-tier product companies and academicians from top universities. After completing this course, many of our learners have transitioned into a project manager role as a fresher or moved on to a higher-paying job profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below. Without further ado, let's get started.
In this lesson, we are going to look at the concept of strategic alignment. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the three components of the PMI Talent Triangle to recognize their significance in project management, define the key elements of strategic management in an organization and associate their role in project management, differentiate between enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets and recognize their influence on projects, analyze the internal and external business environment to assess its impact on project management effectiveness. In this topic, we are going to learn about strategic alignment to business. Certain skills are vital in strategically aligning projects to the business. The PMI Talent Triangle reflects the skills required by today's project professionals and changemakers as they navigate the changing landscape of project management. Let us look at those skills one by one. The first skill is ways of working. It involves mastering diverse and creative approaches, such as predictive, adaptive, and design thinking, for accomplishing tasks and aligns with the process domain of ECO. Next is power of skills. It comprises of critical interpersonal skills that are required to apply influence, inspire change, and build relationships, and it is aligned to the people domain of ECO. Finally, it is the business acumen. It involves effective decision-making and understanding of how projects align with the big picture of broader organizational strategy and global trends. This aligns with the business environment domain of the ECO. To strategically align projects to the business, project managers must have an overview of the organization's strategic plan and an understanding of the business plans. They must also collaborate with business stakeholders, SMEs, and sponsors to develop an appropriate delivery strategy, realize the benefits of a project. In this topic, let us look into the strategic management elements. Strategic management elements include vision, that represents where the business aspires to go; mission, that defines the pre-established objective or purpose; objectives or well-defined areas of pursuit; goals, which are the milestones and allocated resources; strategies, to use the resources to accomplish the organization's purpose, programs, or projects, to translate the strategies into action and results; standard operating procedures, SOPs, for carrying out routine activities; and organizational structures, or the arrangement of roles and responsibilities within the organization. The illustration here depicts the strategic management framework. The vision, mission, objectives, and goals are met by identifying specific strategies that can be implemented through managing the portfolio of programs and projects, as well as ongoing operations. The organizational structure should also support the achievement of these objectives. Let us now look at the various organizational factors that influence projects. Projects are influenced by two main categories of factors. The first one is the enterprise environmental factors, EEF. These can be either internal or external. Internal factors encompass aspects like organizational culture, facilities, employee capabilities, and availability. External factors include market conditions, legal restrictions, regulations, socio-cultural influences, and more. The second category of factors is the organizational process assets, OPA. This category includes plans, policies, procedures, and templates, as well as historical project information. Understanding the external business environment involves using frameworks or prompts to assess external factors that may introduce risks, uncertainties, or opportunities, ultimately influencing the value and desired outcomes of a project. Some common frameworks that can be used are PESTLE, examining risks or changes related to political, economic, socio-cultural, technical, legal, and environmental factors; TCOP, focusing on technical, environmental, commercial, operational, and political aspects; VUCA, addressing volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. In terms of the internal business environment, the project manager, sponsor, and product owner should be aware of the organization's business plans, policies, process reorganization, or any other implemented changes. It is important to note that internal changes within the organization can also impact the project's scope. For instance, a change in business priorities could affect one or more of the following: reprioritizing the delivery of business value to the customer, creating a need for new deliverables, reworking on existing deliverables, eliminating certain deliverables. Let us now quickly recap this lesson. The PMI Talent Triangle reflects the skills needed for project professionals, which are ways of working, power skills, and business acumen. Project managers need to have an overview of the organization's strategic plan and an understanding of the business plans. Strategic management elements in an organization include vision, mission, objectives, goals, SOPs, and organizational structure. Factors influencing projects include enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets. A project manager must understand the internal and external business environment for effective project management.
That brings us to the end of this session on the strategic planning process. Should you feel if we missed something important or need any assistance or other resources used in this session, please let us know in the comments section below, and our team of experts will be happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we hope the session was helpful. Stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.